Welcome back everybody, and today we're going to be talking about this new product, not so new, Microsoft Surface Go, after about 11 months. I would 100% agree right from the beginning that this is able to replace any of your laptop or PC needs, as long as you're using it for the basic functionalities. So basically in this video we're going to be doing the unboxing as well as doing the setup for this, alongside Cortana. It's fun, entertaining, and very amazing for all of us geeks, I would say, when we are able to interact with technology at that level. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to be using this for setting up a POS system for a client, but that's a completely separate topic. However, it does show the reliability and trust that we have for this device. And so far, we have not seen any disappointment within a couple of months now. The boxing is done in the traditional Microsoft manner where the Surface is right on the top. Underneath it is the menus, and a separate box for the charger and all the other stuff. The charger pin is very different from the regular ones, and this part for some reason is very satisfying. The built-in design of this Surface is extremely impressive, I would say, and it does have all kinds of ports that you would ever need. It also has this magnets at the bottom just so you can connect all the accessories, keyboards, and stuff like that with it. It's extremely easy to do that with this. As expected, the process is taking a bit longer, but that's okay. And here we go with Cortana. I'm going to be talking less in this video just so you can see how extremely detailed Cortana's AI is.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. Your region is set to United States. Your keyboard is set to... Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. Mission accomplished. You're all linked up. Now we have some important setup to do. Now let's see what's new from Windows. Next up, the legal stuff. Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done. You're about to set up an offline account, but I wanted to make sure you know, Windows works way better with a Microsoft account. Do you want to do that instead? Type what you want to name your account. Okay, now type a password for your account. And one more time to make sure we've got it right. Now you can set up 3 security questions to help you reset your password if you forget it. Choose the first question and type your answer. Use Windows Hello to unlock your PC, quick as a wink. Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work? These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them, and select a... Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
A couple of things here. It does take very long time for setup, but that's okay because it's just the beginning of it and it takes forever to process everything that they need to set up in the beginning. Secondly, it's very detailed about the privacy and all the updates about what they're doing, and Cortana is doing a really job at that. I'm very impressed. And in general, the Surface does have all the functionalities of any PC out there. Microsoft does claim that it's specifically designed to be able to use all of the applications from Microsoft, and I do see that happening very easily on this, but you would have to be patient with it because I think the RAM might be an issue at some point, or hard drive might be an issue. As long as you have the solutions for that, you should be good to use this. So for some of the intermediate pros, it might be an okay upgrade. And that's it. And this is my personal opinion just based off of the RAM that it currently has as well as the storage. But a tiny gadget like this with a 64-bit operating system is amazing when it comes down to being able to do that. It does support all the accessories of like pen, touch system, various keyboards, mouse, and stuff like that. And especially if you can get it for the right price, don't even waste time thinking about whether or not you should do it. Just do it. And that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Woohoo.